not very nice to take my candy. Remember Daddy would take the cowing candy?
When you guys were in bed,
What?
we kinda ate all of your candy from last night.
Aww. Let's teach Daddy a lesson. Yeah, it's payback time. Trick Daddy. What will Valentine get? Here, use this as a blindfold. Put it in here. What time is it? Payback time!
Are you serious? Looks like I gotta clean this mess up again.
Hi Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm picking up your mess that you keep forgetting to clean up.
Always clean up later. Right now, we got a gift for you.
Really? What is it?
This is a prize from the BLINDFOLD.
Okay, cool. You guys didn't have to do that.
Well, trust me, we do.
You guys are too much. You shouldn't have.
Oh, but shoot. Okay, take it off.
Hey guys, so what's my surprise?
Right here, baby.
What? This is my surprise? What did I do this time? Why did I deserve this?
Remember you stole our iPads?
How about Ghost Pepper Lollipops? Do you remember this Halloween?
I thought it would be funny to see your reactions.
Funny? You think I look orange?
Wow, guys, I'm really sorry. I can't believe you pent up this much anger over 1 year's worth of fun activity.
Fun? Eli, can you believe that? Let's get the secret weapon. Okay, Daddy, you'll learn your lesson.
Okay, good.
That's cannon. Yeah, high five. Now, Daddy will not trick us again.
That's what they think.